If you own a Parrot Anafi drone or a Skydio 2 or Skydio 2 Plus with the optional controller, and you want to mount a phone or a tablet to your controller with a secure way of attaching a lanyard connector like I do when I operate my Skydio 2 drone, here's a new product from Thor's drone world, the Lifthor Munin. So let's take a look at it. When I first purchased my Skydio 2 drone, and then I purchased the Tripltek 7 Pro tablet, I tried to find a way to make them work together so that I had a mount that would attach to the controller and also allow a lanyard connector around my neck to connect to that to support the fairly hefty weight of that tablet. So I crafted a solution for that, and if you're interested, I'll have links to the Tripltek 7 Pro and Tripltek 8 Pro, how I adapted that to the Tripltek 8 as well, down in the video's description section. But with that, it's still placing the weight on the foldable section of the Skydio 2 controller. So I wanted to find a better way of holding that weight and still give me that lanyard connector. In February 2022, I found that Lifthor had announced a new product, the Munin, which is a tablet or phone adapter for the Skydio 2 or Parrot Anafi controller. And it allows it to mount directly to the base of the controller instead of attaching it to the foldable section where the antenna is, or you would normally put the phone. So this looked far more secure. So I was able to place the order in February. It just started shipping in April and I just received it. I purchased my Lifthor Munin from Adorama for $100 US with free shipping plus state sales tax. While the price was cheaper on the Thor's Drone World website for $79 US, it did require a $26 shipping fee to California and the United States. The price was about the same no matter which company I sourced the product from, but since Adorama is based in the United States, I decided to purchase it from them since it might be a little bit quicker, hopefully, to get it from them instead of Thor's Drone World based in Norway. My final solution for attaching the Tripltek 8 Pro tablet to the Skydio 2 controller. Again, the Skydio 2 and Skydio 2 Plus have the same controller, and it's the same shape and size as the Parrot Anafi controller. So my final solution includes the Lifthor Munin adapter that I just purchased. I removed the phone adapter, which I'll save in case I want to use a phone like I showed earlier in the video. But to attach the tablet, I actually went back to a Polar Pro flight deck adapter I had for my DJI Mavic Pro, removed that tablet holder because that fits very nicely around the Tripltek 8 tablet itself, and that securely holds that. And then I used the 1/4 mount at the bottom, which has that connector point for the lanyard to secure it around my neck so it can hold the weight of that pretty heavy tablet. I hope this video has been helpful to you to make an informed choice on whether the Lifthor Munin controller adapter is the one for you. If it's been helpful to you in that way, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this one. Thanks for coming to the channel. See you in the next one.